To order online at Costco, start by going to the Costco website and sign into your account if you have one, or create a new account if you are a new customer. Once you are logged in, you can begin shopping by browsing through the various categories or by searching for a specific product. When you find an item you want to purchase, click on it to view the product details page where you can read reviews, check the price, and see if the item is available for online purchase. If the item is available for online purchase, click the Add to Cart button to add it to your shopping cart. You can continue shopping and adding items to your cart until you are ready to check out. When you are ready to check out, click on the cart icon at the top of the page and then click the Proceed to Checkout button. On the checkout page, you will need to select your preferred shipping method and enter your payment and shipping information. Make sure to review your order carefully to ensure everything is accurate before submitting your payment. After you have completed the checkout process, you will receive an email confirming your order and providing you with tracking information so you can stay up to date on the status of your order. It is also important to note that some items may be available for in-store pickup or may have special shipping requirements, so be sure to check the product details page for any special instructions. Additionally, if you have a Costco membership, you may be able to take advantage of special discounts and promotions when shopping online. By following these steps, you can easily order online at Costco and take advantage of the convenience of shopping from home. Remember to always review your order carefully and check for any special instructions or promotions to ensure a smooth and successful shopping experience.